Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create in-cell bar chart in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to create in-cell bar chart, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created a chart. Okay, here this is the student name column, this is class, and this is first semester number, second semester number, and third semester number. Okay, and this is total of their first, second, and third semester number. Okay, now on the basis of this total I will create a bar chart. Okay, so to create this bar chart, what you have to do here, you have to just click on this cell, then you have to click on equals to. Okay, so when you click on equals to, you have to add a formula rept. Okay, then you have to, first it will ask for text, so you have to just inverted comma and vertical bar, and then inverted comma close. Okay, then comma, number of times. So now you have, for the number of times you have to choose this total. Okay, now close the bracket. Okay, now you have to copy this formula to all the cell. Okay, so I'm going to copy this formula to all the cell. Now formula is copied. Okay, to all the cell. Now you have to select all the cell which has this formula, and then you have to go to home. Okay, then here you have to change the font. So font will be changed to stencil. Okay, stencil, click on it. Now you will see this is converted into the bar chart. Okay, now I'm going to change the color of this bar. Okay, the color should be this. So like this you can create in cell chart in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.